If you love traditional Chinese lo mein, you are going to enjoy my version of Chinese barbecue lo mein. I made a delicious yummy Chinese barbecue sauce and tossed it with lots of vegetables and Chinese lo mein noodles. The combination was fantastic. I'm Tess and welcome to my kitchen. First, I'm cooking the lo mein noodles. These are the noodles that I get from our local Asian market, and they are found in the refrigerated or freezer section. I cook them according to the directions, which is about 4 to 5 minutes, and then I rinse with cold water and drain to stop the cooking process. For the delicious Chinese barbecue sauce, I have a half a cup of plum sauce, and you can find this at most grocery stores. Walmart handles Asian plum sauce. I'm adding in a tablespoon of hoisin sauce, tablespoon of light soy sauce, and a teaspoon of mushroom-flavored dark soy sauce. And if you remember, this is the key to good lo mein. It has a deep, rich, smoky flavor that gives lo mein that classic flavor. Adding a couple tablespoons of ketchup, a tablespoon of brown sugar, and finally 1/8 of a teaspoon of 5-spice powder, which adds a nice Asian flavor, giving that a good mix. The lo mein noodles are done, the sauce is made, and all my vegetables are prepped and ready. We are ready to cook. In a wok or deep skillet on medium heat, add some oil, minced garlic, and ginger. Cooking and stirring for about 30 seconds, and then I'm adding in my vegetables. You can use the vegetables that you like or have on hand. Tonight I have some sliced onions, celery, and carrots. I cut them julienne style to mix well with the lo mein noodles. I turn my heat up to a medium-high, which is a 7 on my electric stove. Cooking and stirring for a couple minutes. I have some bamboo strips, which really adds a nice flavor, and also adding some sliced cabbage. This looks like a good bit, but it will cook down. Cooking and stirring for 5 to 7 minutes or until the vegetables are soft and tender. Just a reminder that I will leave the recipe and the list of ingredients for this Chinese barbecue lo mein below this video. Also remember to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video recipe, and click the bell to make sure you receive notifications of all my future video recipes. Now I'm adding in the lo mein noodles and pouring over the sauce, giving everything a good toss to combine, and we are ready to eat. This recipe makes a good bit of lo mein. You can cut the recipe in half. The key is the Chinese barbecue sauce, so you can use different noodles like vermicelli or any stir-fry rice noodle. Udon noodles are even good. I used all vegetables, but you can add any meat. Just add the cooked meat when you add the noodles and sauce. I have many Chinese lo mein video recipes on my channel. If you have a chance, please check them out. They are delicious, popular recipes, and you will find they are much better than Chinese takeout. The great part is that you can make it the way you like it. Many viewers have commented on how they made the lo mein and how good it really is. This Chinese barbecue lo mein is really delicious. A definite keeper. I hope you give this Chinese barbecue lo mein stir fry a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!